Here I have the anterior portion of a cow eye. Here up front we can see that this is the cornea. We cut the cornea open and inside is the anterior cavity, and contained within the anterior cavity is the aqueous humor. Most of it has drained out, but that's the cavity that contains the aqueous humor. If we move to the back, this just popped out. This is the lens of the eye, which normally goes right in here. If we remove the lens, we can see part of the pupil or the slit right here that leads up to the anterior cavity. Lining the edges of the pupil is the iris, and this is the part of the eye that gives it the color. We can see a couple of the layers of the eye up here in the anterior portion as well. You can see the choroid here, the blackish portion, and the sclera, which is the outer whitish portion. Moving to the posterior part of the eye, we have the retina, which you can see is the yellowish part right here, all leading to the optic disc. And the optic disc leads to the optic nerve, which is this portion right here. Underneath the retina again, you can see that there's the choroid, which is this blackish portion, and then the sclera again. The posterior part of the eye shows the posterior cavity, which is contained in this space here. The posterior cavity contains the vitreous humor, which is a thicker, more viscous substance than the aqueous humor.